especially with what happened in Parliament. And Shasia, the way Shasia, after 2020 election, who 8th Parliament, you would also normal or more year, but Yam Pemwa. Ya so mrasebija for and I say and now my fan said the ompebia omutumi but the omu refi said the omu ye nyina no egu gan animu ase. In fact me kan fenyo mark de no kakra hwe ewiase yese kasa tenten wo wi enfomso mpam eto da bia questions ni bi wo a wo bisa eye unnecessary. Ebi to say will be private say and yire ukobisa will be on yire a private person ukobisa and say utua tax ana and as a ranking member out vetting committee utimi catch obisa me beji protocol men kasa wo mami wo me beji protocol so afenoma kins post you see all part rest the year canon e no kre say mo check positions in human fa before it even comes
pronouncement be say that a year
yeah
we are corrupt.
What the pana catch and say me banner me beji protocol and yes said the maye unti mami. It tells you said the titi no say mrase bidwa for no mo che nyuma fa and man ma you funu nya opportunity no it's going on but me MPP should consider they should reconsider their leadership or parliament. Yes, because this man is very fantastic. Patrick Yabuama. He's very noble man.
Nana Kufado's influence.
Already, papa, no.
That is why some of us near Kase honorable are you a free. Sure. Obey minority chief whipper, and you maybe say NC.
Seriously,
na Kase minority chief whipper.
Yeah,
and it's in a before bemuno. Sure, because honorable are you a free ya? And Kasanse Munu in Kensi. Yeah, but you are not done proud behave like Sabi Aquada. And catch your bise, won't your money to do.
What justify my team the deal with no say because say nana yes say we are seeing no since rich no and na the obey on who soon the bema will be a boo but the mrashe bidwafo ne no de nana e de anim guase pa and the day but time limit no hu hia e wo sa vet no mo reconsider say convention no obehwe no my answer kire be nya time limit wum nana finally media meka say for now ne mi hu no etwa say parliament leadership ni nyina atena se na omo Asia na no speaker ka ho omu nyina
the leadership is part of the trouble
they have to sit down they koso inana enyo because this is a house you say honorable house omo ka say omo say honorable house this is dishonorable enye honorable asem no omo ye no no and they should really consider that chairman of the vetting committee no this man is very soft for me. Me who the entire because who Joe Wise any the way Joe Wise pass he handle those times no any a year they will shut you down if it's going beyond the mark but seriously
quick one say